You know, there's a lot of things while we're chilling at home that suck. And it sucks to have the police knocking on your door. I want to tell you what to do here. First of all, I mean, obviously, let's get a little inner zen and remain calm. Second, I want you to take a peek outside if you can. Are these actually cops? I don't know. You can ask them for an identification, but don't open the door. You want to ask, you want to see, are these people legit, right? Number three, you want to ask, if you do want to talk to them, what is your purpose being here? Still don't open the door and keep it brief. You do not have to open the door. They can come in if they have an arrest warrant or a search warrant. Okay, then they are required under Florida law to announce their purpose. Our purpose is to execute an arrest warrant or a search warrant. Well, then they get to come in. Okay, I get that. But no warrant, folks, no entry. Come back and get your warrant. You do not have to open the door. Another thing I want you to keep in mind is while you're having this brief little conversation, you do have the right to remain silent. So use that right. You don't get into some big conversation here. Some people I know, and this is legal too, you don't have to do anything, man, I'm telling you. You can keep watching your football game, binging on whatever show you're binging on, because there is no constitutional obligation in the state of Florida to get up off your butt and answer your door. Nope. If they have a warrant, like I said, they'll go and bust it down, and that will be expensive for you because they usually don't pay very well on the damage they do, but that's a story for another day. The last thing I want to tell you about, which is pretty obvious, I think you need to know this, is you need to call an attorney. I know who has an attorney on tap when somebody randomly knocks on the door. I get that, but you really want to make sure that you focus on having an attorney in a situation like this because, folks, you have no obligation to open that door. Keep it shut. You have no obligation to do any of this sort of thing. I want you to use those rights. I want you to keep those things in mind before you just go volunteering. Oh, sure, come on in. I think a big myth is, well, I've got nothing to hide. Sure, come on in. Oh no, that has wrecked many a homes. You may have nothing to hide, but do you really know what's in your kid's bedroom and half a dozen other things? Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself and the people you live with. Just say no, just chill, just contact an attorney. We will tell you what to do, but I'm telling you right now what to do, and I hope that, God forbid, the cops are knocking at your front door, which really sucks. At least you'll remember some of the things we just talked about. If something bad happens to you in Central Florida, of course, that is where I practice law. I hope that you'll give our office a call because we can help you here in Central Florida. If not, I hope that whatever button is on this screen that says subscribe and like, and all these buttons change all the time, whatever it is, please help us out by doing that. And hey, I thank you for watching. Take care.